want this reversed in CapCut. First, add beats. Then I want you to pay attention closely. Click the clip, then click on speed, and click on curve, then custom. Follow every step you see I do here. Make sure this at 3 seconds. Then click faster process at the bottom. Now follow the same steps for all clips. Now here you're gonna add keyframes at the first and the end of the clips. Then click on graph. Click on cubic out. Then go to basic and follow the step. Set zoom in at 129. Do it for all clips. Then now you're gonna export the clips one by one, then delete them after you export them. So you see here I cut the vid, but I add my clips that I export one by one. Now you're gonna add a duplicate of the clips and then reverse the duplicate once. Now set the clip speed at 1.3x. Do it for all of the clips here. Now the result. Guys, I hope you understand, and this is my first time doing this. And please, can you leave a like and subscribe?